Motion detection can be a game changer in your surveillance system. For example, imagine you don't need to hire a monitoring service to watch your property 24/7. Instead, you can set up motion detection on your front door camera to capture just the moments when a parcel is delivered. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to configure motion detection for your ONVIF camera using Banalytics, so you can automatically capture and receive video footage whenever a delivery happens or any other motion is detected. Some cameras have built-in motion detection features. But what if your camera doesn't support it, or you want a unified motion detection solution for multiple cameras from different brands? That's where Banalytics software-based motion detection shines. With Banalytics, you can apply motion detection to cameras that don't have this feature and manage multiple cameras with different motion detection systems in one interface. To enable motion detection on an ONVIF camera, first, ensure you have set up the capture video task for your camera. Once this is done, simply click on the camera's task section and you'll find the motion detection option in the bottom right corner. Now, let's configure the motion detection settings. Start by deciding how the system should react to errors. The default is a 10-second delay before automatically restarting the task. Now, let's switch to debug mode to see the raw footage and better understand how motion detection works. Background sensitivity determines how sensitive the camera is to motion. If your camera is too sensitive, it may detect passing cars. If it's too low, it may miss critical events. Now, we'll adjust the blur size and dilate size to filter out tiny, irrelevant movements. Increasing the blur size will help us ignore insignificant changes, while adjusting the dilate size aggregates small movements into larger, more detectable events. Here are a few other parameters that will refine the motion detection setup. Motion area threshold helps you decide how large the movement must be to trigger the detection. Detection timeout defines how often motion is checked in the image, while stun events controls the frequency at which motion detection events are sent. Font scale to adjust the size of the detection labels. Enable flags to display detections and noise. The red squares highlight areas where motion is detected, while the yellow areas represent noise. That's it. Be sure to check out our next tutorial where I'll walk you through the other options. You'll also find helpful links in the description.